Hey everyone, welcome back to the Techo AV. Today, we're diving into the Lenovo ThinkBook 14G6 IRL, powered by the Intel Core i5-1335U processor. Lenovo Experience Store. This laptop is designed for professionals and students alike, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Inside the box, we have the ThinkBook 14G6, the power adapter, and some basic documentation. Right off the bat, the laptop feels well packaged and protected. Design and build. Moving on to the design, the ThinkBook 14G6 sports a sleek, professional look with a brushed aluminum finish. It's slim and lightweight, making it easy to carry around at just under 1.5 kilograms. The build quality feels solid, with minimal flex in the chassis. The Intel Core i5-1335U delivers solid performance for everyday tasks. I've run some benchmarks, and it handles web browsing, office applications, and even light multitasking with ease. Battery life is around 6 to 8 hours, which is pretty good for this class of laptop. Thermals are generally well managed. Intel Iris Xe graphics eligible, integrated. 16GB DDR5 memory. 512GB NVMe SSD. The 14-inch IPS, 300 nits, 100% sRGB, 60Hz display is bright and vibrant, with good color accuracy and wide viewing angles. It's perfect for both work and entertainment. Connectivity and ports. In terms of connectivity, you get a good range of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an Ethernet port. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 means you'll have fast and reliable wireless connections. Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard is comfortable to type on with its responsive keys and decent travel. It also has a backlight, which is handy in low-light environments. The trackpad is smooth and accurate, supporting all the Windows gestures seamlessly. So, that's a wrap on the Lenovo ThinkBook 14G6. If you're looking for a reliable, portable laptop with good performance, it's definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Drop any questions or comments below.